Welcome back to another video. Today we're at Home Depot. We have how to get the DeWalt deals, the discounts, and the different uh, discounts you can get. The most you can get with this, pretty much with this discount from DeWalt. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you go and help with the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So pretty much you want to go to where it says DeWalt. Let's see here, it says DeWalt. Alright, you're here at the DeWalt. So basically, you get a discount for every certain $100 you put in there. So the maximum discount you can get is for $500. Let's see here. There's some tools that have this little icon. You guys see this corner? It says buy more, save more. I guess the first one is spend $199 and you save $30. Spend $349 and you save $90. Spend $499 and you get $175. So eventually, $499 is probably the best deal if you need something, or you can mix match something that will equal out to $499, and then you can get the $175 discount, which is comes out to like 300 and something. So, anyways, yeah, as a matter of fact, let's add this to the cart. So pretty much we're adding this to the cart. Let's see here. It says add to the cart. I believe I don't have anything in the cart. So right, yeah, unfortunately I do have some stuff in there. So I'm just going to view cart. Let me get this out of the way. The Milwaukee stuff from last time I did a video. So let me just take this out. Alright, so we got $269. It says save 10%. Let's look at the DeWalt light. I know that's one light. Did you guys like it? Did you guys like a lot? And it does have the little sticker in there, so it'll work perfectly. So, alright, so there you go. Pretty much, so this light, regular price, I believe, is 200 and, what was it, 200, wait, hold on. It says here, 229, right there. So, and with this discount, it dropped down to 153. So that's 33%, that's a lot. So, you know, that's $50 off, basically, 60 bucks, 70 bucks. So that's pretty much a lot of money right there dropping. Same thing with this. It was $299. This is Max XR, so it is worth. It was $299 to start, and it dropped down to $199. So that is definitely a great deal. It did go up from $520. So the total without the discounts was $528, and savings $175. So it dropped down to $353 for two nice tools. I mean three nice tools basically. So that's a really nice deal right there, $359. So it says you save 33% off your items. Buy more, save more. Spend $499, save $175. Spend $349, save $90. Spend okay. So we're gonna try and mismatch if we can get it closer to the. Let's see, remove. I'll just hit the wallet again. Oops. So we'll go ahead and try something else. We'll try. I don't know if they have the string trimmer. Yeah, probably not. I would say mostly they have hand tools. I know they have all the. They have all the atomic. So if you need an impact driver, you can pretty much look for the atomic tools. Like this one, I'll just add it. If you need an impact driver, we'll see how much less we can get the impact driver. So right now it says 24%, 113. That's the impact driver kit. So let's see if we can add another tool here. Let's go back. All right, let's go back again. Impact. See if we got. Let's see here. Got this one's already out. You guys see there. So a lot of people are doing this already. I know there's a lot of YouTubers already that did some of this stuff already. So 149. Let's see the two batteries for 169. All right. Seems like that's pretty much the only one we are reciprocating saw. All right, we got this one for 119. Let's see. Let's see what we get. So calculate taxes, $97. Yeah, this is not enough. So basically, we need $100 more. So we need something that's gonna be like $200. So we'll just add that, and then we'll just add like. I was gonna see if you need to like add it up to like if you have a little bit left over, you can add these the small kits for $12.97. So you need like $10 more so you can reach it. You can definitely we'll add this nailer, see if it'll work with this nailer. So we're adding it here. It says 426. Yeah, unfortunately this nailer is not gonna work. Like I said, some of these do work, some of these don't work. Yeah, so we'll just go ahead and remove it and then try something else. Mostly atomic tools. We'll just go atomic. Alright, so we got, let's try this one. Alright, so there we go. So if you guys see here, this tool, which is it's 149 and it dropped down to 108. So that's 27%. You see the difference on the percentage? Like every tool is different. Now it's 108, 27%. And then this light, 27%. So now it's 166. So basically, you just gotta play it around, so you can get the best deal. I know some of the guys, what they're doing is they're just buying the whole thing, and then they're just keeping the tools that they want. It's completely up to you for whatever you want to do, but some people are doing that, so it just depends on like they're buying the whole thing here, and they'll just keep like the impact driver and the light and stuff like that. But like if you want to get the most, like the 33%, you have to play around with it, add and remove stuff. Let's see here. So this one came up to 646. I think when we went over a little bit more. Let's see here. So we remove. Okay, so this is 497. If we can add one of those little atomic. Let's see, DeWalt impact bit set. All right, we got 1297. So we'll add this one to the cart. It says to pick it up. All right. All right, so I'll just put one there. Add to cart. All right, viewing cart. See, this is the maximum you can get. Well, not the maximum, but you can get just about. See right here, it went up to 34%. So, like I said, just play with it, and eventually you're gonna get the most out of it. See, it dropped down to $150. So, yeah, I would guess the closer you can get it to $500, I would say the most you can make, the most you can get as a discount. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this. I'm just gonna get these two off, and I'm gonna see what the percentage is here. Spend what is this? $199, get $30 off. So we'll just try that. Remove, and then remove, and then remove this one, and you guys will see the difference, how much you're saving. So this one's it's $229 and it dropped down to $199. So you guys see the big difference there. So you guys do need to spend $500 for you to get the 100 of that light for 100, which is a great light, by the way. It's probably one of the best deals out of this whole deal. That and the impact drivers. But yeah, for you to get the 150, basically, you have to spend the $500 basically. And if you don't want the tools, you can return them, I guess, if that's what you want to do. But if you want to keep them, you're gonna get the most. You're gonna get that 34 or 35% off on all those tools. So I would definitely consider this deal. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. If you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.